buying clothes online.
I've been shopping online a lot more lately.
I've been shopping online a lot more lately.
Finding the right clothes feels so much easier.
Finding the right clothes feels so much easier.
I just scroll through different websites at home.
I just scroll through different websites at home.
But it's hard to know if the clothes will fit.
But it's hard to know if the clothes will fit.
I always worry about the fabric quality too.
I always worry about the fabric quality, too.
Sometimes the photos don't match the actual item.
Sometimes the photos don't match the actual item.
However, returning things is usually pretty simple.
However, returning things is usually pretty simple.
Overall, it saves me a lot of time.
Overall, it saves me a lot of time.